Well, congratulations to you all, ladies, on the wonderful way. Thank you, Francesca.
Lovely.
There's a nice blue gazebo to the left entry, and then you can take part in all the different sections. If you've got anything from the trickiest lady, and I would suggest that those who are entering in the dog show, you assemble to the right hand side as I stand.
And she's a Labrador.
Say hello then. Sit down.
It's a dog.
Sit down, buddy. Have you? Yeah, high five.
The name of this one?
Buster? Wait. Wait. Buster. High five.
Okay, we're going to choose 5 of the dogs. We've got some competition here.
Waggly is tail. Here's one. That's a waggy one. Here's another waggy tail.
No, I'm not allowed to. I've got to look after
We're looking for 3 waggy tails. Ready? 3 waggy tails.
Standing on the corner with the low-down blues, great big hole in the bottom of my shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog.